What's up everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to quickly change your DNS settings on Windows 11, and it only takes a minute. So simply start by opening settings, then go to network and internet. From here you then have to select Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on what you're using. Next you're then going to have to click on hardware properties. From here you can then hit edit next to DNS server assignment. Now here's where you can change it from automatic to manual, and then also turn on IPv4 and enter the DNS you want. For example, it could be 8888 for the primary and 8844 for the secondary if you're using Google DNS. And once you're done, you then have to save the changes and Windows will apply them instantly. So after that, simply restart your browser or reconnect to your network, and your internet should feel a bit faster and more stable right away. And that's it. So that's how to change your DNS on Windows. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.